How to relax your body through mindfulness. Whether faced with a chaotic situation or stressful time, your body responds accordingly. Your muscles become tense, heart rate speeds up, blood pressure increases, and more. All of these bodily responses negatively impact your health in the long run and make us feel bad in the present. Mindfulness is a great way to relax your body no matter the situation, but it can be difficult if you've never done it before. Here are some key tips for how to use mindfulness to relax your body. Let's get started. 1. Intentional breathing. We breathe every day of our lives, but most of us often forget that we are ever breathing in the first place. If you breathe intentionally, however, you are likely to become more mindful and relax your body. To practice intentional breathing, begin by breathing normally, but draw special attention to the breath. Note how the air feels when it enters your nostrils and exits your mouth. Additionally, try to imagine the air swirling throughout the inside of your body. As you do this, your breath should naturally slow. Once you're ready, try to breathe on count. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 5 seconds, and exhale for 7 seconds. Try to note the air and how your body rises and falls throughout the entire breathing cycle. The act of focusing on how the breath feels is what makes this practice mindful. After you are done intentionally breathing, your body should be more relaxed. Your blood pressure should be more regular. Your muscles should relax and your heart rate should slow. 2. Progressive muscle relaxation. Progressive muscle relaxation is the process of tensing and relaxing each muscle group. It reduces anxiety and muscle tension, while also making you mindful about how your body feels at the moment. Begin by breathing in and tensing each muscle group, starting from the head down for 4 to 10 seconds at a time. Before moving to the next muscle group, relax for 10 to 20 seconds. Note how your body feels different when your muscles are tensed versus when they are relaxed. After you've gone through every muscle group, count backwards from 5 to 1, bringing your focus completely back to the surroundings in the present. After you finish the practice, your body and mind should feel more relaxed. 3. Sip on a warm, caffeine-free drink. One of the best ways to relax your body through mindfulness is to connect your senses to the mind. An easy way to do this is to sip on a warm, caffeine-free drink, such as herbal tea, hot chocolate, or warm lemon water. After you have selected your favorite warm drink, begin to sip on it. Drink slowly so you can intentionally think about the flavor, smell, and feel of the drink. Pay close attention to how the drink feels as it touches your tongue, goes down your throat, and enters your stomach. As you focus on the feel of the beverage as you drink, you are becoming more mindful of how your body feels at that moment. As a result, your body will relax in the process. Final thoughts. To conclude, mindfulness can relax your body since it draws attention to the present. Intentional breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, and sipping on a warm drink are great ways to become mindful and relax your body. Try any of these techniques whenever you feel stressed, find yourself in a chaotic situation, or before you go to sleep to relax your body.